Look, we in Orlando, Florida, and Mr. Jamal Rutledge just pumping the gas right
Hey,
now.
listen, we right here in Jacksonville right now. We in Duval County on our way to Orlando. You know, it's just part of this life, man. We traveling, seeing the world, making money, having fun. You know what I mean? This is what Five Lanes about, man.
Turned down for
For
what?
what?
Right?
Hey, y'all see these eyes right now? Y'all a little tired. You know, I've been driving for the past 2.5 hours. About to make it two more to our destination. Um, but still, whenever we touch down, we still gonna turn up some more.
What?
That's
What?
all right.
Team
Y'all
No
play whatever
Sleep.
you want. Team No Sleep. Team Stepping for Success. Team HD Lifestyle. It goes down,
Down,
man.
baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We is not playing. We pumping gas in Jacksonville, Florida. We here to get these nuggets from these millionaires because we're going to share it with you because you deserve to travel the life. You deserve to have fun with your team or whoever you want to just kick it with and just live the life to the fullest. So if you're definitely looking forward to having fun, making money, and just living the life, get with us. Join us. Step in for success, baby. HD Lifestyles is on and popping on our way to Florida, Orlando. Yeah.